This video covers removal and installation of your Cybertruck Cyber Wheel Covers. To remove a wheel cover, grasp the cover firmly between the spokes and pull it towards you to release the retaining clips. Remove the mounting ring by repeating this process. To install a wheel cover, or if the mounting ring stays with the wheel cover during removal, separate the mounting ring from the wheel cover by pulling the plastic ring from the inside of the wheel cover. Align the mounting ring clips between the spokes of the wheel and firmly press the ring into the wheel to secure it. Center the lock ring of the wheel cover, then align the cover with the design of the tire while holding the center of the cover in place. Firmly press the outer perimeter of each spoke, starting with the top, then opposite side. Then work your way around to ensure alignment. Engage the center locking ring fully after all the spokes have been secured. As a final check, pull on the plastic portions of each spoke to confirm. For more information on Tesla products, subscribe to Tesla Tutorials on YouTube.